Welcome back to SkillStart.io. This is Alhelia, and in the last video we talked about how to download the MetaMask wallet extension for the Chrome browser. In this video, we're going to be discussing how to add the Polygon mainnet network to your MetaMask extension wallet. So first, we have our MetaMask wallet here. As you can see, we are on the Ethereum mainnet, but we don't want to be on the Ethereum mainnet. We want to be on the Polygon mainnet. So how do we do that? So in our MetaMask window, we're going to go to where it says Ethereum mainnet. And we're going to click on Add Network. So what this will do is it will bring up this screen, and it'll say network name, RPC URL. So what you want to do is you want to copy this information here. So in this screen, we want to fill in a few pieces of information. First of all, the network name, next the RPC URL, the chain ID, the currency symbol, and the block explorer URL. Where we can find this information is we can go to the Polygon developer website. You can see the URL here, but I will go ahead and leave a link in the description of the video below. So what we can do is we can go ahead and copy this information right here. We need Polygon mainnet. Control C to copy. Control V to paste. Then we need an RPC URL. So we need this URL right here. And we'll check just that. Control C. Control V. And then the chain ID, 137. Excellent. And then the currency symbol is going to be Matic, all capitals. And then the block explorer URL is going to be polyscan.com. And we can copy that here as well. Again, I'll leave the link to this in the description below. But we can just pop that in there, save, and bam. Now you can see our MetaMask is the same account, but now we have a different symbol here. We are looking at Matic tokens rather than Ethereum tokens, and we are on the Polygon mainnet as dictated up here. In the next video, we're going to go over how to purchase Matic tokens on the Polygon mainnet using MetaMask. We'll see you in that video.